Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a green juice that is going to help boost your hair growth in 2024. Now, before I show you how to make this green juice, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out. Like this video if it's helpful. Share this video with anyone who cares. But most of all, let's enjoy. So let's just jump right in. One ingredient in this green juice is cucumber. Now, cucumber is full of amazing vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, K, and C, but I want to focus on one specifically, and that is silica. Now, silica has so many amazing benefits for your hair and skin that I felt like it needed to be discussed. Silica is involved in the formation of collagen, which is a structural protein that plays an important role in your hair, skin, and nails. Now, this is key to your hair growth because collagen provides strength and structure to the hair strands. This helps your hair to get stronger, thicker in appearance, and more elastic or flexible. Now, because of this, silica helps to reduce breakage, brittle hair, and thinning, which is needed for overall hair growth. Another ingredient is celery. Now, celery is mainly water. It helps with keeping the skin or scalp and your hair hydrated, which helps to prevent dryness. Celery is also full of a variety of vitamins and minerals, but I want to focus on folate, also known as B9. Folate is good for blood circulation, which is key for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, which help with the stimulation, growth, and strength of your hair strands. So folate aids in keeping the hair on your head longer and stronger. Now on to the next ingredient, green apples. By simply adding green apples into this drink, you'll be balancing some hormone levels due to a compound called polyphenols. Now, polyphenols also help to hinder the activity of DHT, which is a hormone associated with hair loss, particularly in male and female pattern baldness, which causes a shrinking of the hair follicle, which leads to thinning and hair loss. However, the polyphenols found in green apples helps to prevent this. Now let's move on to some leafy greens. Spinach is ideal to add into this drink because it is high in vitamin E and potassium levels, which are great for overall health and hair growth. However, I wanted to focus on its high iron content. There are many studies that have shown that not having an adequate amount of iron in your diet can lead to hair loss. Iron deficiency may lead to changes in the hair shaft, making it more brittle and prone to damage, which once again contributes to thinning and hair loss. However, putting spinach in this drink helps add iron into your diet, which helps with transporting oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. Another great leafy green to add into this drink is actually an herb called cilantro. Now, cilantro has many vitamins and minerals that are great for the body, scalp, and hair growth. However, adding it into your drink will help to provide your body with potassium, manganese, and quercetin. And quercetin helps to reduce inflammation, which can lead to hair loss. So adding cilantro into this drink will be extremely helpful for your hair growth journey. Now, another great leafy green to add into your drink would be dandelion leaves. Dandelion leaves are a welcomed addition to this drink because of its vitamin A properties and its detoxification abilities. Vitamin A, derived from beta carotene, helps the immune system to function properly. Vitamin A is also essential for the production of sebum, which is the natural oil that moisturizes your scalp. If your scalp is moisturized, this will prevent flakes and dryness, which both contribute to thinning and hair loss. Dandelion leaves also help the body to detox, which means it helps to eliminate toxins from the body. Another ingredient in this drink is ginger. Ginger is another great addition because it helps to improve blood circulation and nutrient absorption. Now, there is a compound in fresh ginger called gingerol, and it has so many health benefits. However, when it comes to gingerol, the aroma that it provides has been used for its calm, soothing, and relaxing effects. When the body is stressed, especially under chronic stress, this leads to many illnesses and diseases, which can all contribute to hair loss and thinning. Adding ginger into your drink can be a natural stress relief aid, which will help you to stay healthy. Another great ingredient to add into this drink are lemons. Now, adding lemons into this drink is really going to boost your drink because it's high in antioxidants, especially vitamin C. Now, vitamin C helps to support a strong immune system, reduce inflammation, it helps with collagen production, as well as it helps to absorb the iron, which is found in the other plants in this drink. Lemons also have an alkalizing effect on the body, which means that it helps to balance the body's pH levels. So once you've added all of these ingredients into your juicer, what I go ahead and do is strain, and that's it. Drink up and enjoy the health benefits, not only for your body, but for your hair. And I hope this video really helps you to achieve amazing hair growth in 2024. Don't be a stranger. Let's stay connected, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.